Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas. The beauty of homemade crafts is that they do not require large investments at all. Moreover, original and aesthetic elements are often realized from improvised items that you have long considered trash. Old logs, worn tires, plastic bottles are used. Some of these materials will definitely be found in the pantry in the country. Decorating a garden is not decorating an interior. There are no strict stylistic and compositional rules here. But this can only complicate the task, since you will have to rely on your own sense of beauty while managing not to overdo it with the decor. Still, plants are the main characters of your territory. However, you need to take into account the general style of the site as well as the design of the house. For example, around a minimalist building with a geometric composition, even a colorful bouquet of roses will look out of place, not like sculptures from plastic bottles. But for a cozy wooden house, you can take a walk creating cute crafts. Pay attention to the palette of the flower garden. If the earth is full of bright buds, then it is better to choose decorations with more restrained colors, so they do not merge with the background or look too colorful. What items fit into the space depends on its size, your tastes and requirements. After all, filling the garden can perform not only an aesthetic function but also serve practical purposes. In any case, if you wish, you can always find plenty of interesting solutions. How do you look at these awesome ideas? We would love to hear from you. We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.